Thanks for joining me one more time, and let's go ahead and get to this. We'll go ahead and do the unboxing and see if this item is for you guys. Check it out and let me know in the comments. Alright, so what we have here is actually going to be a rechargeable LED work light. It's 3000 lumens and it's actually being sold by the seller, Samyoung Store. It comes packaged with the light itself, an instruction manual, as well as a charging cable. The front of the unit houses the dual light system that this light uses. The back of the unit has the on-off button, as well as the charging indicators and percentage indicators. Each one of those lights stands for 25%. It also has the charging ports, both for charging the light and reverse charging, which allows you to hook up the USB and charge an item directly off of this light as a power bank. Now we'll go over some of the features of this light. One is that it does have a easy to press on and off button on the back. Now this is also a multi-function button, which does allow the lights to come on individually, but you have to do half a press. Now the body on this light actually allows it to be stood up on its sides. It does have a handle which can also be used to angle the light, or for you to go ahead and position it, or frankly hang it on something else. Now to use the separate lights, you have to press the on button, then you'll half press the multi-function button. This will allow you to cycle through the lights. You can choose to just use the spotlight, or if you want to just choose to use the floodlight to cast a wide light. That way you don't have to have both, but you can choose to just automatically turn it on and let both lights brighten up the area. Okay, we'll be testing the light out. So when you first turn it on, you'll see that the spotlight is shining on the left, but also the floodlight is surrounding the area. So both lights are on. Then you'll have to do half a click and it will turn off the spotlight, leaving only the flood. So we'll go ahead and turn it back off here to reset it from the beginning, and both lights will be on, spot and flood. You'll do half a press, flood, and then half a press and spot only. Overall, this light is pretty bright. It has a pretty decent throw when it comes to the spotlight. The floodlight does light up the entire area without an issue, and then when you combine them, it seems to do great. Alright guys, well, it's the end of the video, so time for some slow motion fun.